Clearly by a ball hair, I dinked him out.
Oh, but that's not the way.
Oh! We traded places! Hello everybody, my name is Quakin, and today we're going to be doing a battle between Helios Volcano and Daimyo Samuraizor. Helios is on its stock, and so is Samuraizor. It's going to be fun, verse 1 to 15. And we're going to be doing a double pocket rule. So basically what that means... Oh, thank you, DK.
Yeah, I was going to ruin you.
Yeah. Well, what that means is if either Bay is knocked out twice... What? What are we wowing at?
He just told... No, he told me to shut up. I was trying to help. Wow.
Thank you, DK. Shut up, Insta. I'm not in the mood. So if a Beyblade gets knocked out twice, it doesn't matter if it's the same pocket or a different pocket. If it gets knocked out twice, it's an out, and the other Bay that knocked it out, it gets the point. That's mostly because this Bay has a tendency, it's too wide to fall out, and it bounces back in pretty easily because of its mostly rounded shape. So, yeah, first 1 to 15. Ha!
Yeah, ha! Ha! What the? Hey, man. What the?
Limit break!
Let's go.
I heard it! Oh,
okay,
just barely.
Limits.
Broken limits. 1-0.
I get it, like the driver. Haha.
Why do you insist on speaking? Why? I don't...
Quake.
I just love making terrible jokes.
What?
You should try flat launching.
Okay. Woo!
No!
That was
That's
fun.
the right lash.
2-1.
2-1. Right.
3-1.
Yeah!
It's
Okay.
almost like I know Kicks Bay better than he does. What the?
You are pretty good with Beyblade. I still think that... Oh my... Was that 2 for me?
Yeah, you knocked it out right.
Yes! That's 4-1.
Oh. Yeah!
Yeah! I will admit that I still think that you're, like, when it comes to, like, overall skill with the Bay, you're still better than me. So it doesn't shock me that you're like, why aren't you doing this? It's like, oh, right, because I didn't think of that. 5-1.
5-1. Yeah!
Yeah!
No 4-2 jokes here.
Oh! Was that... Doesn't really matter, I guess. I think I only knocked it out once. That's...
Yeah, 5-2.
5-2. That's 1. Yes!
2. Okay.
6-2. Spider Q.
6-2. So let's do it. I am hyped right now. Just fucking.
That was
went about by itself.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let that.
Loser.
I'm not gonna let that happen.
Yeah, you stupid loser TT Bay. You can't even stay in this game.
Yeah, I knock you out, not the other way around.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah! Is that 7-2?
7-2.
Slaughterizor. So Slaughter Piss. Ah! Uh-oh. Ha!
Yeah. Oh! What?
Oh!
No.
Oh, I just got it. Barely. Barely. That's 7-3?
Barely.
Barely.
I'm good.
Oh my god.
It came up.
Okay.
8-3.
8-3. Dude.
8-3, and it's only been 4 minutes.
Did we lose Insta? Insta? Where'd he go?
Insta? Oh, Insta did tip. His phone must have died, Lash.
Oh, you know what? That makes sense. He got really quiet. Do you want to wait?
Yeah.
We can wait.
Do you want to wait? We can wait.
I can pause it. What's up, guys? We're waiting for our buddy. He's back. We're back. Everyone's back. And it's 7-3.
He's back, Lash.
It took a minute, so we're just gonna assume that it's 7-3. And yeah.
And if it's not, you guys suck. Yeah.
Yeah. Screw you, audience, for keeping score.
Yeah.
Yeah.
8-3.
8-3. Insta, you're a genius.
Insta's a genius.
Every time. 9-3.
Oh.
Ow!
Samuraizor, what the?
Ow! 10-3. I dinked it out. Just barely by a ball hair. I dinked him out.
Oh, but just back away.
Oh! We traded places.
Like weasel. Oh no.
Oh my gosh! 11-3.
Yes.
I landed on top of it. I don't want to count that.
Yeah. But that was still a cool knockout.
It was.
Damn.
It was a cool knockout, but I'm not cheap flash. Ah! Yeah!
So that one was legit.
Yeah.
12-3.
I touched the stadium floor first.
Slow. Burger kiss. 13-3. This Beyblade sucks now.
13-3. Spider kiss.
Yeah! 14-3. GT, make better base.
GT, get on it. Get on it.
Dynamite battle better than the League Samuraizor.
Ah!
Yeah!
I want everyone to know that this is like the third recording for this, and I had such a pain in the ass beating this thing. And instant, like not even halfway, just like at the beginning of this recording, it's just like, launch it flat. And I'm like, that's stupid, that'll never work. Insta, forgive me for ever doubting your prowess.
Yeah!
I am beneath thee.
Oh, wow.
Forgive me.
Wow.
With the way you said it too, you're just like,
Subscribe to my channel.
yeah, subscribe to Instaburst. He was saying all sorts of mean things, and I was like, I was doing okay, subpar if I'm being honest. And he says one encouraging, like, positive reinforcement, and I just rocket past struggling with this thing.
Also subscribe to DK. He was giving good.
Yeah, subscribe to these knuckleheads. Yeah. Both of them are great.
About to hit 500 subs. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, DK's about to hit 500 subs. If you want to be like one of the OGs before the 500 gang, get on that shit, man. All right, go sub to DK.
Skit series that I'm sure you guys.
I have a skit series that's probably never
some serious skittage right there, okay? Bruh, like, you seen some Kimbo skits? These are words!
Yeah! I like copyrighted music in them too, that's what makes them better.
Yeah, it's all copyrighted!
Yeah, copyrighted!
Yeah! Okay, we've killed enough time. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe to Instaburst, subscribe to DK, but most importantly, sub to the Modle Blader's YouTube channel and go check out the Discord if you want to build bays like this.
Yeah, and if you want to lose to me and Insta in the future.
Oh yeah, we also have a ranked chat of currently I'm the top. Yeah!
Yeah!
Alright.
Yeah, Spartacus!
Spartacus!